Is it too late? Not if you do this. If you've been telling yourself it's too late, that you're too old, too behind, or not tech savvy enough, let me stop you right there. I'm Holly. I was 70, in debt, and exhausted. And I still built a business that now gives me peace, profit, and purpose. Not because I had money or time, but because I stopped listening to that voice in my head that said I couldn't. So, here's what I want to tell you. It's only too late if you quit. But if you're ready to learn, and I mean really learn, you can change everything faster than you think. I didn't just find another job. I found a system that works while I rest, relax, and now I earn 24/7 even when I'm off. If you're ready to see the exact path I followed, comment ready. I'll send it to you. Step by step, no fluff, no tech stress. Your comeback story can start right here, but only if you say yes to the blueprint that finally works.